Oh, baby girl. What you talking about? What you talking about, huh? Let's see. What you talking about? What are you talking about, Charley? Baby. Aw. What you talking about? Let me see your eye. You get something in your eye. Let Mama see. Let me see, Charley. Aww. It's gonna be red, ain't it? You okay? Yeah. Are you alright, baby? Yeah, you're okay. Are you gonna cry? Does it hurt? Oh, don't cry about it though. It'll be alright. That happens when we play rough. It happens, don't we? But it's okay. It's out now. It's not in your eye. Yeah. Oh, I'm so sorry. You okay? You okay? Bless you. Poor baby girl. But you're okay, aren't you? Uh-oh. James is like, I am ready to get in my house. You hear him? Just a minute, James. Oh, sissy. Poor girl. I'll go get him. I'll get him. It's okay. It's okay. I'll go get him.